Today I'm going to teach you how to make some easy to peel hard-boiled eggs. It's not the hardest thing to do, but there are a few details that you need to be aware of. Let's start off with some water. Once the water starts boiling, place your egg into the water nice and gently and let it boil for about 10 minutes. You need to see some little bubbles coming out from the bottom of the pot. After about 10 minutes, take your eggs off the stove. Just place your pot in the bottom of the sink. You can use cold tap water. Cool off your eggs. You see, I could put my hand in there. The water is nice and cold. Just remove some of that warm water. And believe me, if you live in a cold place like Montreal, this water here is ice cold. And let your eggs cool for about 10 to 12 minutes. It's been about 12 minutes, and believe me, the egg is properly cooled off right now. So I'm gonna crack the egg. Look how easy it peels off. Look at that. Came off nice and easily. Now that is the perfect way to cook your hard-boiled egg where you have no issues peeling it. If you enjoyed peeling this egg with me, please subscribe to my channel and check out these other great videos.